example, and what I'm doing is I own 100 shares, I can sell an out-of-the-money call option on Tesla and obviously pocket that cash. If the price goes up to that price, I'm still long the shares. But obviously, I'm probably going to get exercised on my position. And that's absolutely fine. That's absolutely fine by me because I can buy shares at higher prices after that. I've already made 10% gain on them anyway, so I'm just basically not doing anything different from that as a trade opportunity. So for example, on Tesla just now, the calls that are available, what's the share price just now, Reeve, on Tesla? So I could, for example, trade the out of the money calls at 1100, and I'd pick up $37. 37 bucks. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. So obviously, in line with the fact that I could trade that 37 bucks, I could pick up a lot of cash for that by selling that $37 out of the money strike. That's money in my pocket, isn't it? That's money in my pocket from a 37 handle strike. 1100 strike, $37 profit. So when you think about it, this is quite a big way to play. That's quite a big way to play. That's the way the institutions obviously play it. That's the way the institutions trade these things. It's the way these stocks are ultimately traded. You need a lot of capital to buy 100 shares, absolutely. Every stock has its own margin requirements. I don't know what's the broker's requirement for Tesla, Gene. Is it 100% or 80%? I would imagine it's quite high because of the volatility on Tesla. Some stocks, they don't ask for much margin at all. Some stocks, they ask for very, very little margin because there's very little volatility in them. But as volatility rises, the margin requirements that the brokers need you to put down on these stocks can obviously start to increase. And obviously it starts to cost a little bit more money, of course. It starts to cost a little bit more money. But when you think about it, let me just... We've covered this subject before. In fact, we'll do it in classroom, guys. There's no point in doing it just now before classroom. People are still in trades. Classroom starts in just 5-10 minutes anyway.